This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Freedom Leitmotif. This powerful and recognizable musical phrase comes from the popular game Deltarune. It's often heard in connection with characters who embody or seek freedom, making it a truly impactful piece. We'll break down the steps so you can confidently play this exciting motif on your piano, bringing its unique energy to life through your own performance. Let's start with your hand placement. Position your hands comfortably, with your fingers naturally curved over the keys. For the left hand, focus on providing a solid, driving bass line, which is crucial to the motif's feel. Practice playing the foundational chords, ensuring each note is articulated clearly. This strong bass will support the melody and give the piece its characteristic power and depth. Now, let's focus on the melody, usually played by your right hand. Begin by practicing the melodic phrases at a slow tempo, ensuring each note is precise and flows smoothly into the next. Once comfortable, experiment with dynamics. Vary your touch to create expressive contrasts, perhaps playing some sections softly and others with more force. This will bring out the emotional nuances of the Freedom Leitmotif. Finally, let's talk about rhythm and effective practice. A consistent tempo is key, so use a metronome to keep your timing precise. Don't try to master the entire motif at once. Instead, break it into smaller 2- or 4-measure sections. Practice these segments until they are perfect, then gradually connect them. Remember, regular, shorter practice sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each, are far more effective than infrequent, long ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.